heathen names, refused to do as they were told. When all were kneeling, they stood bold. Into the furnace they were thrown, the king's great fury to be known. Deliverance was not the plan, till they were joined by another man. He was there. He was there. The storm was raging fierce and strong, as 12 young men they pulled along across this lake of Galilee. Impending death was all they see. We're soon to die, do you not care? To one asleep, their words to bear. Shalom, be still, they heard him say, and violent waves to peace gave way. He was there. He was there. Through fire and flood of every life, amidst the struggle of each strife, Emmanuel, this promise here, secure on him, the end is sure. He is here. He is here. He is here. He is here. He is here.